Barry Dingle, and here's some breaking news. We've just gotten word that the toy truck has been taken over. And here we go in live to Anna Graham. How's it going out there, Anna?
Yes, Barry, it's me, Anna, and I'm here with the toy truck worker, Paisley. Paisley, can you tell us what happened here today? Yes, Anna, I got to work this morning and it was chained and locked. I found it just like this. What are the children gonna do? Paisley, I know this is tragic, but do you have any idea what happened here? Who could have done this? Yes, I know who did this. It was Mr. Steele, the criminal mastermind. So, Paisley, how do you know that it was Mr. Steele? Of course I know it's him. He's the one that wants all the toys for himself, and he left a note. I think it's time for me to call the secret agent. Yes, Paisley, I believe you are right. This is Anna Graham with the Toy Truck Tragedy. Back to you, Barry.
Thanks, Anna. You heard it here first. 3BG News. Mr. Steele strikes again. If you have any news, you'll find it here on 3BG News.
It is time for me to call Secret Agent Luna. Luna, Mr. Steele has struck again. Come quick. Whew. Secret Agent Luna will be here in just a minute. Mr. Steele has been at it again. Look, he left a note. Yes. I don't know what to do.
I want all the toys to myself. If you want to try to save these toys, you must solve my riddle. Criminal mastermind, Mr. Steele.
I told you it was him. Now we've got to figure out this combination. Oh, wait. Oh, look. Here come my two best customers. Hey, girls.
Hey, what happened to the toy truck?
Mr. Steele, can you believe it?
Yeah!
He is struck again, but Luna is here.
Good.
Hello, is this Mr. Steele?
It sure is.
Why did you steal the toys?
I want them all for myself.
I told you you wanted them all.
Every one of them. No one can have fun but me.
Well, that is very self-serving.
If you can solve my riddles, then you have a chance. If not, they're all mine.
What is the first riddle?
Look by the tree. I left it there.
There are a lot of trees. But we should probably search those first to those closest to the toy truck.
Okay, that sounds good to me. I'll stay here and make sure nobody comes near the toy truck.
Come on, girls.
Oh, wait.
How many triangles do you see? What's that supposed to mean? I mean, I see 5 triangles, but you tell me.
I see 5 too. Well, how many do you see? 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is my lucky pen.
Okay.
You can use it to write down.
5.
Mr. Steele, there are 5 triangles. I repeat, Mr. Steele, there are 5 triangles.
Wow, you guys sure are smart. Y'all are outthinking the master. But the next clue is by the red ball.
Huh? The red ball? Where do I I see the red ball. Maybe it's one of the trees.
What if the sun's actually red?
Here it is.
Oh. I think we're supposed to match the symbols to what is shown.
I think you're right. Let's go work it. The first symbol is a butterfly. T. Smiley face.
Smiley face H.
Bat.
That is R.
Two American flags.
E.
3. Wait, why don't you call Mr. Steele and tell him that we found the next number?
Mr. Steele, we found the number.
Next clue at the playground by the swings.
Where's the playground? Oh, there it is. But what swing could that be on? Not there. Not
Here either.
over there.
Clue number 3.
Let's go. Okay, let's open it.
The number is 2 greater than the number between 5 and 7.
Between 5 and 7.
That doesn't make sense.
Wait. What number is between 5 and 7?
6.
Then it must be 6.
But the number is 2 greater than
Well, then what's 2 greater than 6?
8.
Then the last digit must be 8. 538. That must be the combination.
Come on, let's go.
Did you find it? Did you
Yeah.
find it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, what do we think it is? What do we think it is?
538.
Okay, let's see. All right. So where's 5? Here's 5. Then, let's see. Here's 3. And what was the last one?
8.
8. Let's see if it works. We did it! You did it! Yay! The toy truck has been saved! Ah! Y'all saved the toy truck from Mr. Steele. Oh, I'm so excited. Thank you so much. Yay, Detective Luna. Thank you.
No problem.
Girls, y'all did such a good job. Thank you so much for helping. And I've got a little surprise for you.
Oh, what is it?
Because you helped me so much getting the toy truck back. Hold on just a second.
I wonder what it is.
Let me see. What are my best toys? What should I give the girls this time? Yes, I think they'll love these. They'll love these rainbow corns. All right, girls. And you know what? Because I know blue is your favorite color, I am going to give you this rainbow corn. And yellow is one of your favorite colors, so I'm going to give you this rainbow corn. Girls, thank you so much for helping me.
You're welcome. Wait, look, Seraph. It says there's 5 surprises hiding inside. Yeah, I know that. I see it right there. Oh, and color change boo-boo corn. Yeah.
What? Oh, they're going to be so fun to open, aren't they?
Yeah. Let's go inside. Okay.
Bye, girls. Enjoy your rainbow corns.
We will.
I'm so glad I got my toy truck back. I was so worried, but I just knew Detective Luna would save the day. And when I saw those cute girls, my best customers, I knew everything was gonna be all right.
Oh excited to open my rainbow corn. Now let's open it. Let's find out what its favorite food or thing is. Ooh, it's poop. That's funny. Rainbow corn poop. Ooh, yellow and pink. You can mix it up to see what color it turns out all together. Let's open up my boo-boo corn. It's this little cute unicorn. That is so cute. Aww.
Mr. Steele, they bought it. They actually trust me.
This is Barry Dingle with a news update. The toy truck has been rescued. That's right. The toy truck that was captured by Mr. Steele and chained up has been rescued. But the infamous Mr. Steele is still on the run. And that's it for the news. It's Barry Dingle. Dingle Barry. Until next time.
Thank you for joining us today. Please subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below. It's free. And don't forget to give us a huge thumbs up. Click the like button and turn on those notifications so you'll be notified whenever we upload a new video. Thanks again for watching.